my thing, and I'm just trying to get my all you need, someone to deceive, and you're trying to think that I'm the one for you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the start of a fresh vlog. We are vlogging my week of spring break. I'm super excited. No kids edition. I am just now starting to feel better from my little sinus episode. Like my allergies were really acting up, and I just reminded myself to grab my last Zyrtec so I can take it tonight, and then I'm gonna have to probably buy another to-go box. But yeah, y'all, this Zyrtec really comes through. I took one last night. It's 24 hours. That's why I've been waiting for the actual 24 hours to take it. But I'm gonna throw this in my bag because it is a necessity. Not only am I gonna throw that in my bag, but I have one more Breathe Right nose strip. I'm very congested, but it is draining itself, so I'm really happy about that. So not only am I pack a nose strip, this, I also have this, which is my Flonase, to help clear up my thing. Anyways, it's super early. Let me go show y'all my little fit check for the train. Alright, y'all, so I have on an Adidas jacket, some Adidas shoes, some socks. I look crazy this morning. I have on a Skims like romper, but I have threw some pants over because it's kind of chilly this morning. And when it gets hot later on, I could just throw them off. And my bonnet's on because my hair is blow dried out, y'all. And I actually sectioned it off into parts. That way, like, I can still run my fingers through it. Yeah. Okay, so I'll see y'all when I'm heading there. Y'all, I am at the Brightline. I'm here hecka early. Like, I'm here really early. But I got to use the bathroom, get my life together. We are here at Brightline. If you haven't checked out that train and want to travel between Orlando, West Palm, Miami, I definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Said it works that quickly. I'm currently at urgent care because my face is swollen. As you can see, my eyes are red. The allergies are kicking me, so we're at urgent care. I'm on the phone with my mom. hopefully the doctor comes in and get a shot in my lower back, and we'll be good to go. Hey guys, so I last clip you probably seen was me like showing y'all my face, eyes were red, everything like that. I am feeling better today. Let me take off my glasses so y'all probably can see my face. I'm feeling better today. This eye is a little bit more irritated, but this one has cleared up a lot. This one's still really bothering me. My skin is looking okay, not 100% down, but she's still a baddie. Basically, I went to the doctor yesterday and they said I had conjunctivitis and an acute sinusitis. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Basically, my allergies are kicking my behind. I woke up yesterday morning with my eyes bright pink, reddish kind of color. Nothing with no yellow discharge, all of it being like tears and like white like stuff coming out my eyes literally. And yeah, my face was really swollen. My lips yesterday were swollen, like my whole face was inflamed. And I never knew that allergies could really kick my behind like this, so I can't wait to get on some better insurance, which is going to come soon in Jesus' name, God willing. So that way I can actually go see a primary doctor and get all these things situated, because I've been having a lot of different types of allergies, like my gluten allergy recently, last 3 years, and now this. So I know I have a lot of allergies that I need to go take a new allergy test. I never had allergies when I was younger, because I had an allergy test when I was younger, but a lot of things can spoof up into adult life. So yeah, so basically that's what happened before I went there. So that just kind of put a damper in my day, a damper in my plans, everything like that. But we're back and we're better. We're back and we're better. Let me show you guys my hair, because a girl went and got her hair done, because the natural hair is cute and everything, but the braids eat. Wait y'all, because they're not eating like they're supposed to do. Hold on, don't do me, because this is human hair. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. Look at my nose dripping. This is my hair, y'all. This is so cute. Like, shout out to Bratz Lab. If you're in Miami, go ahead and check her out, because she eats every down. She do the braids, she do the twist, she do the wigs, she do it all. Holla at my girl. Yeah, she did my braids. Hold on, let me give y'all like a stand-in thing. Hold on, y'all. The sun is kind of hitting. So these are the braids. Y'all, the sun is hitting. Yo, they demolished this little baby. Look how they painted the baby. I had bought this paint. Look how they did the baby. May she rest in peace. Y'all, the braids though, the whole fit is eating right now. Let me go to a place where there's more sunlight so y'all can see. I feel so awkward because y'all. But let me take y'all on my not so boring but boring spring break. Okay, y'all, so this is what this video is going to be. This video is about spring break, my spring break, relaxing. I'm about to go kick up and read this book. I'm almost finished with it, Crazy Faith. I'm about to go in and edit my introduction, and I'm gonna start actually editing this vlog, but I'm gonna use a different program this time, and I'm gonna tell y'all if it works out for me, okay? But I just wanted to give y'all an update. Don't mind me, pray for me. I'm gonna be better though. So yeah, and hey guys, so I'm outside. I gave you guys like a little update about like everything, and I'm reading my book, Crazy Faith by Mike Todd. I have a hit or miss relationship with Mike Todd. It is his sermons, like some things that he says are very powerful and it takes to you, and there's some things that he does that are a little bit too much for me. Like, it's just too much, too theatrical, but you know, it is what it is. Whatever he's doing, it's for the Lord's work. But there's this part that was really, really good to me that stuck out, and he was kind of talking about sometimes we go through these storms, and this is 2 parts or 3 parts that I really like. You have been exported, and what looks like your biggest storm is about to become the setting for your greatest miracle. God is a divine orchestrator. Some storms are scheduled. Sometimes God sends a storm to frustrate us into a place of humility so that we seek him for the vision that will get us to our next step. And sometimes he sends a storm to demonstrate his authority over the wind and waves. And that was something that I really thought was good, because I was like, wait, I be forgetting who allows these storms to come over and take over my life. It is up to me to still give him the most praise, to give him the most honor, to give him the most thanks for these things, and just realize that whatever has to come my way, just know that at the end of the day, he has me. Whether it is in the way that I want it to be, whether it is in the way that someone else wants it to be, whatever he does is the miracle. And I think that was a really good reminder for myself, even after getting sick yesterday, kind of not knowing what to do. Everyone looking at me freaking out, but I'm not really looking at myself. And in that moment, I didn't really panic. I just, glory be to God for life. I'm okay. I was able to do everything I had to do. And like, I feel like that was a little blessing. Like, I just wanted to tell y'all about this little part. This may be so random in this vlog, but I like it was good. Someone needed to hear that. Just to let you know, if you're going through a storm, remember that he is the author and the omega. He has the power to control the winds and the wave and the rains, and at any sudden moment he could tell them to stop. So alright guys, this is day, I don't know, whatever. I think I updated you guys. I think I briefly updated y'all yesterday or whenever I did about how I'm feeling. So I woke up this morning and I felt crappy this morning because my eyes are literally draining all of my like stuff from my sinuses. So my eyes got back red again. This eye is not like, this eye at first was not taking to none of the stuff. Now it's this eye. But I called my mom and she said basically it's just draining. But my nose isn't as stuffy as it used to be. But anywho, we are heading to what is this place called? I don't want the camera to drop. Spira's Astarian Pizza place. It's in Midtown Miami. I love going to Midtown. It's like a one-stop shop for everything that you need. But they sell gluten-free pizza and we're going there. I thought it wasn't that far from his house, because when I went to Barry, it was like, I felt like 15 minutes from down the street, and you only stay like 5 minutes from me. So, but it probably was further. I just probably like to go shopping at Target so much that I didn't mind going down there. But that's where we're going. We're gonna go there, and then I'm gonna go get a sleeping mask for my eyes just to cover them when I sleep. And then what else? Oh, and then I need hydrocortisone cream. Oh.
This is not for us. This is not sales for regular people.
Oh. What was in there?
It's like a whole nother hallway to like.
Oh, we went the wrong way. Babe, I knew it. Who's the stupid one now?
It says stairs.
I was
It
like,
says stairs for other people.
I was like, yo, nigga. I was like, yo, we need to go.
Try to open this one. What?
I told you. I said, babe. You said, no, there's stairs. Babe, cautious, what we doing? Hey y'all, I'm eating my Astarnia pizza. Oh, gluten free. So good. I'm waiting for my boyfriend to come.
I'll be late. Kendra's still out. See the camera here. Just came from the gym, so I picked up her vlogs, and she ain't doing it. Like, how you out and you don't vlog? I don't know what her going on. So picked up her vlog. Just came from the gym, took a shower. Now I'm about to go to sleep. I lied. I'm waiting for her to come home. Then I'm gonna go to sleep. Y'all be safe.
Alright guys, today is day, I don't even know, of my spring break, and I have not kept it up with the vlogging. I went out yesterday and I went out the day before, and I still, hold on y'all, my camera feels like it's dirty, and I still forgot to vlog with all my intentions to grab the camera. But today we are going to do a beach slash yacht today, so this should be nice and fun. My swimsuit is this right here. My swimsuit is this right here. Let me show you. Hold on y'all. Alright, so this is my swimsuit. It's a tankini. I don't know what that's it, but it like covers here, and then it has like a little bikini area, and then, you know, I got the Bohemian knotless on them. Feel me, with the Coach bag. Yeah.
No, it's your angle. I don't know. I don't know how to see it. I don't like low angle.
Y'all are gonna be in the but the lighting don't look good though. No, we'll do it upstairs because y'all look dark.
Use mine. Oh, hey. Hey, Kendra's vlog.
Yes.
Finally got a play that made it outside. I want to make it. This is Kendra's
this is
first
better.
time with us since she been here.
Yeah, it is.
Hey,
It's
Kendra's
sad.
vlog. My first appearance, I think.
Y'all look so good.
I just wanted to say. Valerie talk too much. Oh. Never mind.
My mama watches this, so that's no profanity.
Comment, subscribe, turn y'all post notifications on, and make sure y'all tell a friend to tell a friend.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the beginning.
Hi guys, it's Gabe.
I know this pig is spicy. This is a little spicy.
I'm so trying to get like it. My toes are pink. For my birthday. Me and Mark from next last month. My birthday was I forgot about the vlog.
Oh wait, PG-13. It's okay. I'm gonna cut this one out. We're gonna just clip it. We are at the beach now.
Yo, these niggas get yo.
Let me move away from y'all because y'all cussing in my vlog and I don't appreciate that. We're at the beach. Sun's up, buns up. Although we don't have no buns up. Wait, how we gonna get to the beach?
We go all the way straight.
Oh, to that way. I see. I didn't see the green part. Oh, there we go. Water.
It's cold though.
It is a Alright guys, so I'm at this aerial class and it's my first time. I'm super excited. We'll get into the footage. now we're on the way back to Lakeland, and Hubba Bubba is driving. Okay, so this vlog is gonna be coming out real quick. I have a deadline. I got 3 days to edit this, and it's gonna be popping out for y'all. It was a good chaotic vlog, but now I gotta end it. So I'm trying to think of everything I did. Y'all see me go on the train. Y'all see me get my hair done. Y'all gonna see me go to the ER. Y'all gonna see me not exist for a long time when I should have been vlogging, and you're gonna see like a few fun clips of me going out having a little fun.
See me? I picked up the camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that clip in here too. Yeah, so basically, I'm just ending the vlog now. I'll see y'all next time whenever I do something fun. But you will see Girl with God this week too. So you'll see this vlog probably before you see a Girl with God video, but you're gonna have 2 videos this week. 2 videos. All right, bye.
So hard to deceive, and you're trying to think that I'm the one for you.